Hi everyone, Pratik here. So today is Friday. It's 29th May 2026, and let's just discuss on the progress which has happened in last week. So what we have done, and in this video, let's quickly summarize on five major points. Firstly, FR, which we had started as our first reading. Secondly, SPOM, like SPOM exams which we are supposed to give in this week. Thirdly, it is about direct tax, which the lectures about to which my own this is the only subject which has been left. Lectures has been left. Fourthly, about the daily routine activity. Am I waking up early? How am I planning my studies? And the last thing is working out. Are you working out or not? And what's the basically thing? So let's quickly go through this. Firstly, we'll go through SPM exams. So I had planned to give my SPM exam on 28th May 2026. That was yesterday. So I have successfully completed it in first attempt. It was actually very easy. I have studied for a period just for 2 hours. I think I studied for 2 hours and I scored 78 marks. So that's actually very good. Next thing is FR. So due to SPM exams, I am getting less time to study on FR. So I'm planning to complete my financial reporting, first reading, detailed version of reading in 2 months. That is by July end. So why I am taking 2 months? Cause I have very little amount of time. I have to complete my direct tax also. So yeah, the third point is about direct tax. So I have started my direct tax lectures from Vijay Sada sir. It has been already started from 28th, that is 28th of May 2026. That is also from yesterday, and I am watching this lecture live. It is from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. 7 to 10 a.m. and it is actually very good. And yeah, so this was overall update on FR, DT and SPOM. Next, talking about routine. Am I waking up every day? Yes, I'm waking up every day at not less than 6 a.m. So I usually wake up between 5:30 to 6 a.m. I go to library by 6:15. I sit for study, and till 10:30 I do study. So I get a productive of 3 hours of daily clocking. So which usually goes in DT. So I'm planning to add a more hour. Yeah, so that's about my routine. And the fifth and last point is, am I working out? No, the thing is clear. I'm not getting time for it. But is it right to not work out? No, it is absolutely very wrong that you are not working out. Everyone should work out, cause if you are physically fit, then mentally you are. Actually, you feel, when you feel good, when you look good, your mind, your brain, it actually makes you feel strong. So I think it is very important to work out. And in over few coming weeks, you would see that this last point would get updated. Currently I'm eating junk too, and it is actually problem, but yeah, I would definitely overcome on this. So yeah, this was complete set of things. So the plan for next week, let's discuss the plan for next week. Plan for next week is very simple. I have my last set of SPOM exams on 3rd of June 2026, and I am giving IBC, Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code. Nextly, I am completing FR. So detailed revision I have been completed for financial instruments and Ind AS 115. Now I'm planning to do Ind AS 102 and Ind AS 19, and I would, yeah, so these are two which I'm planning to do in this week. Why the target is very short? Cause I have my SPM exams. I have to put some time, cause I don't want any attempt on this. I'm very clear on this. I'm not getting any leave also for studying this. I would study and clear this on one go, then we'll focus on fast forwarding the FR. Nextly, what about direct tax? Direct tax is very clear. As soon as the lecture ends, do revision for 30 minutes, go home, at the day end do revision for like again 15-20 minutes, and it would be done. So yeah, so the plan is very simple. Also, I would say that plan is actually very simple. You have to do simple things repeatedly, focus on simple things, do it multiple times. Yeah, it would be done. It's very simple. Just focus and stick on one thing. If you'll do multiple things, you'd get scattered. If you do multiple things, then you're just a feather in the wind, where the wind is moving you from left to right and from right to left. So don't be a feather in the wind. Just control yourself. Do simple things, focus on one thing, adopt the T strategy. What is T strategy? The T strategy is very clear. You have to taste everything but focus on a single thing. Go on a single fucking thing. Also, I would like to give you a thing. Okay, let's just talk that into another video. See you, bye bye. Take care.